Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here to make a video today about my new twin disc master clutch 725 series 1573A TD7RX. That's the technical name of the fucking thing, but whatever. Alright. So, I got this fucking thing on a deal on fucking Black Friday. It's pretty sick. And just opening it now. Because I finally got a transmission jack. But, yeah, I'm excited. I've never changed out a clutch. This is my first aftermarket clutch. So, it's going to be fun. I guess it comes out with a throwout bearing and a flywheel. So, yeah. We're gonna unbox this today and see what's up. Alright, sorry about that. Had to take it out of the box, but here it is. It's pretty sick. This is gonna be savage. I'm gonna be drifting my BRZ during the season, so it's gonna be fun. I can't wait. And yeah, I fucking pulled this and then it fucking ripped. So fuck it, let's just start it from there. Like I said, I've never dealt with it, so I really don't know what the fuck this is. So, yeah, we're gonna learn together. I'm gonna try to start a YouTube channel and just do some DIY stuff and kind of have you learn with me, kind of thing. Yeah, cause like I always say that there's people out there that make videos and stuff, but they don't make them detailed how some people should. Like me, that I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I like to be extra and like to do like some little details here and there that people don't show, you know what I mean? And I hate when people just like go to point A to fucking F or whatever and like it's done and they don't fucking show anything. So yeah, sorry, I'm struggling over here, but yeah, give me a second. It was really nicely wrapped, I guess, but yeah. Damn, this thing looks beautiful. I guess usually these don't come with the flywheel, I guess, and this one did come with the flywheel. This shit is heavy as fuck. Holy fuck. Damn, this shit's sick. Damn, this shit is heavy. Alright, I want to open this. I want to check this shit out. Don't really know. Sorry, I got a bunch of fittings here. Really don't know what this is. Guess it's 6mm. Oh, nice. They're pretty loose. Thought I was gonna have to struggle a little bit, but I guess I did it. Give me a second and I'll take these off and then I'll continue the video. Alright, sorry about that. So I guess this comes off and there are your pressure plates. It's pretty cool. And it looks sick. I guess this is to line everything up, I'm guessing, because I know that there's lines in there. Trying to figure this out. I guess this is a plate and then this is a different separate plate. I don't know. Really don't. And then I guess this is the bottom, and then there's like a this side. It's pretty sick. I'm excited. There's like a replacement one. Thing is, sick. I want to start doing some DIY videos. I did some hub conversions to my car from 5x100 to 5x1014.3, whatever. But yeah, and there's really no good videos out there that show like detail by detail, so hopefully I can do a video soon. I just barely put them on, so I'll probably do a video of taking them off, and you just gotta, you know, follow the video backwards, you know. So yeah, and I want to do a video on how to install these horns, because there's really no videos how to install these. I also have a GS harness for 2015 STI, and I heard that you can put that on there, so I wanna do that soon. And yeah, and maybe do, I gotta also a JDL sandwich plate for my, I got an oil cooler. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. So subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I make more videos and support the channel just for fun, and learn with me, and maybe you guys can teach me and I'll teach you. So have a good day and have a good night, and salutations from Bethel.